Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust sensitivity in Wildgate. To do it, click on menu in top right corner, then go to options. Now go to controller and you'll find different sensitivities here. There's quite a few, so I'm not gonna explain all of those, but yeah, you can find different ones here and adjust those depending on however you need it. And you can also change the input curve to standard, inverse, linear, S-curve or reverse S-curve, and that can be also set for ADS input curve. So you can either do it for input curve or ADS input curve separately. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.